Hello and welcome back. So let's go through question 2b, and question 2b is always going to be about reading the different notes of the different clefs. And at this kind of grade 5 standard we have 4 clefs. We have the treble, the bass, the alto and the tenor clef. And these clefs are really just kind of reference points. We'll come on to that in a sec. Just as a quick note, if you're kind of new to the English system of music notation, remember that we start on the note A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and when we get to G, we loop back to A. So this question is really just asking, what note is this? What note is this? What note is this? And being able to read it against the clef. And I mentioned these are all reference clefs. They have, in medieval times, their own name. So this clef, and you can kind of see it still looks like one, is supposed to be the letter G. And so it's the reference point saying that this line, which you can kind of see this swivel is going around, this line is the note G. This one, this clef, the bass clef, is also known as the F clef. And so this line, which the kind of swivel is centered around, as well as these two dots, is the note F. This clef here and this clef, they're the same, written the same, just put on different lines, is the C clef. And so it tells you that this note here is going to be C. And same for this one. And so now it's just a case of working out where everything is in relation to this. Remember that so for example here, we're in G, then we go up one, which would be A, then B, so we could scribble on that line that this is B. In the middle here is going to be C, here is going to be D, E here, F on this top line. If we went down, so G, we could go down to F, and then down to E here. And we can work out kind of based on this reference. So just know that the treble clef is G, the bass clef is F, and these two clefs mean C. So let's have a go at doing this question up here. We know that this is G, so we can just go G, A, B. So this note here is going to be B. And that's all the question wants from you. Let's try this one. So we know that this is G. We could write out our reference here, but let's count it up anyway. So G, hang on, G, A, B, C, D, E, F. So this note here is F. What about this one? Well, it's on the G ledger line, or the G line, but you can tell that because it's got this symbol on it, in front of it, the sharp symbol, it's going to be G sharp. So just be careful if there's a sharp symbol, we have to put that in as well. Otherwise it's going to be natural. So let's go on to this bass clef. So we know that this is F. And using that kind of reference system, we can easily work out what this is. So F, we're going to go down to E, to D, to C. So we know that this note here is C. Let's go up the other way. So this is F. We're going to go F, G, A, B, and on this line up here, where all the way it's up here, is also going to be C, but just the C an octave higher. And occasionally we get these ledger lines. This is when we run out of our 5 lines and we need to go a bit higher, and we just count it out as if it was just an extra line above. Let's try this one. So F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F. So this is going to be F. Let's try this one. So we are now in one of our C clefs, so we know that this note is going to be C. This is an alto clef. So C, D, E, F. So this is the note F. Let's go down the other way. So this is the note C. C, B, A, G, F, E, D. So this is the note D. We have our note C, so we're going to go C, B, and it's got a flat symbol, so we know it's going to be B, flat. Let's try another one. So have a look at this one first if you want to have a go. So let's work out where our reference is. So what type of clef is this? What letter reference? It's the letter C. So this line here is C. So if we go C, B, it's the note B. Let's have a go here. So this is our reference. We go C, D, E, F, G. So this note here is going to be G. And last but not least, we have this symbol. Well, I've already written out the C. So we can work this one out. We can go C, going down to B, A, G, F, E. There we go. That looks good to me. Let's go through and check our answers. Is this B? We can go G, A, B. Yeah, that's B. Just to make sure, I'm just going to go through them to make sure. So is this note F? We can go G, A, B, C, D, E, F. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Obviously, don't take your own work. I'm just doing this to make sure I've done it right and not made any silly mistakes. G sharp, it's got the G and it's sharp, so yeah. We have the note C. Now I've accidentally kind of written it a bit like a G here. So just to make sure, I'm just going to make it, there we go, definitely a C. And F, yeah, that's C. Let's have a look. F, G, A, B, C, yeah, that's fine. F, we go, yeah, that's F. Let's go back to here. So we got C, D, E, F, great. C, B, A, G, F, E, D, great. C, I've written it again. It looks like a G, it's actually a C. But C, B, so it's B flat, because it's got the flat symbol. C, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, and perfect. So that is how you tackle question 1B. You're just asked for the note name, and that's all you have to do. It just requires reading the clefs, and the trick to knowing the clefs is just knowing these reference points. Treble clef is G, bass clef is F, and then these two clefs, don't be confused by them. They both just show you where the note C is. They're just reference points. I'll see you in the next question.